a lot of intrigue surrounding that, especially because elections are in order in Haryana, and the Agnipath issue was one sore point where Haryana voters were concerned during Lok Sabha, because word is coming in now, viewers, that a possible rethink on the Agnipath scheme is in the works. Top defense sources have told India Today that the centre is considering tweaking the scheme. Drawing a sharp retort from the Congress, sources tell us that some of the tweaks may include changing short-term military recruitment, increasing the retention of Agniveers to 50% from the current 25%. The army has allegedly submitted their recommendations to the government, and the revision will only be made in line with feedback. The Congress, meanwhile, taking on the government, demanding the government withdraw the scheme altogether, calling the scheme anti-army and claiming it tampers with national security. I want to immediately cut across to my colleague Shivani Sharma, who's been tapping into her sources within the Defence Ministry. Shivani, what more can you add? A possible rethink on the Agniveer scheme? What are the tweaks in order, and when can we expect them? Is there a timeline to it?
Preeti, see, this is not a new development. We must clarify to our viewers that in 2022, when in June this scheme was announced, the biggest reform that it was being said. So that time itself, we saw a lot of concerns regarding the scheme, since it was a very new scheme and people had inhibitions. We also saw a number of protests in a number of states. And after which an outreach program was announced by the army, and Defence Minister had also said that we are launching the scheme and we will be tweaking if ever people want any changes in the scheme. And for that matter, there have been surveys and feedbacks that have continued since the very beginning within the units, within the formations. And the major recommendation as per the sources has been that the number of soldiers that will be retained, that is currently 25%, might be increased to around 50%, because we need a good strength on ground. India is facing a two-front challenge, not only on the eastern front in the along the LAC, where we are in a standoff with China, but also on the western front. So we need more strength on ground, more boots on ground. So this number of retained soldiers, the Agniveers, might be increased. This was one recommendation from the army side. Another one happens to be about the emoluments and entitlements, which can also be discussed for changes. But when these changes are going to happen, what is the timeline? That is not certain as of now, but yes, it will be done at an appropriate time. And these surveys and feedbacks continue within the army formations, and these recommendations are being given to the government also. So this scheme might be changed as per the requirement. That's what the sources have revealed to India Today.